Have you ever wondered how the air around you is carrying Netflix, TikToks, and emails straight to your phone? It feels like magic, but the truth is, Wi-Fi is pure science. At its core, Wi-Fi is just radio waves, the same kind that carry music on FM radio, but at a much higher frequency. So instead of blasting across a city, your router is quietly sending data across your living room. Every photo or video you send is broken into tiny digital packets, strings of zeros and ones. Your router translates those packets into specific patterns of radio waves. Think of it like a super fast Morse code happening billions of times a second. Your phone has an antenna that's constantly listening. It detects those waves and decodes the patterns back into information. That's how a cat video leaves your router as invisible energy and shows up on your screen. Now, Wi-Fi operates on two main frequency highways, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. 2.4 travels farther and punches through walls better, but it's slower. 5 GHz is much faster, but the signal drops off more quickly. That's why you often see two networks from one router, one for range, one for speed. But the air isn't empty. Your microwave, Bluetooth speakers, even your neighbor's router can cause interference. And physical things like walls and furniture block or weaken the signal. That's why Wi-Fi is strongest in the same room as your router. And this is important. Because these signals are in the air, anyone nearby could theoretically listen in. That's where your password comes in. It enables encryption, which scrambles your data. Without it, using Wi-Fi would be like shouting your bank details across a crowded room. So next time you tap Connect, remember what's really happening. Your request becomes digital packets, sent as radio waves, decoded by your device, and then sent back all at nearly the speed of light. It isn't magic. It's billions of ones and zeros flying through the air every second, transforming into the videos, messages, and music you hold right in the palm of your hand.